Hi guys, how are you all doing? Welcome back to my channel, and in today's video I'm gonna do a haul video for Rajouri Garden. So Rajouri Garden has like this amazing market which is also known as the main market of Rajouri Garden in J Block, which is amazing. So you guys might ask how to reach there. The simplest way is to take either the pink line or the blue line Delhi Metro and reach to the blue line wala metro station. There is a mall on one side and the other side is the market. So you can very well identify the gate because from the metro station you can very well see which side the mall is. You have to get down on the opposite side. मैं हमेशा इसको अपना एक thumb rule लेके चलती हूँ. मार्केट जाना है, opposite side पे उतरना है. Or else you can also take auto or cab, which obviously everybody knows how to do that. And once you reach the market, you would see a main road. That is not your market. That is just the entryway to the market. You have to walk in and go towards the left, and that is where the market starts. This market has all sorts of shops from high end to your small shops and shops that sell clothes similar to Shein, for example Incense, Q, Crush and all of those places. I was an avid user of Shein and I absolutely loved their outfits. So today I decided to go there and shop for myself for my birthday, which is upcoming, and I got a lot of stuff. It is not just this. Apart from this, I got a lot, like a few kurti pieces and all of that. So I'm gonna show all of that to you in this haul. So let's get into the video. So the very first shop that I'm gonna cover is Incense. Incense has to be my favorite store of all times. I absolutely love their clothing. They now also sell via Instagram, so I'm gonna link that down below. You can get super trendy, super affordable clothes off of Incense, and when I went there was a 60% off, which was a great thing because I got everything literally half the price, which was a great deal. So let me just take out the spare bags out of this first. So from Incense I didn't get a lot, but I did get these formal pants which I yet have to get altered. So it's like this straight fit pants that is in this dark bluish color, and this was, I think, for the original price of this was 1199 rupees, which is almost 1200 rupees, and I got this for 700 rupees, which is a steal deal. It's a stretchable fabric, and I would obviously get this altered according to my size, but this is how these pants look. So the next shop that I went to is Crush, wherein you get your garment in this reusable bag, which I absolutely love because I use this literally for everything. And what I got from there is a formal skirt. So I got it in this olive green color, and this is how the skirt looks. This skirt costed me around 800 rupees, which is worth every single penny. It's a stretchable fabric. It hugs to your skin super nicely and looks really nice, and is the perfect size and lengthwise to wear for office. It's not too short, it's not too long. So that's why I absolutely love this outfit. Apart from that, I decided to go to Q, which is where I have been buying my birthday outfit for the past, I think, 2 to 3 years, which I absolutely love. And I have used that in multiple shoots and multiple other videos and everything. So this time I got a lot of stuff from Q. So the very first thing I got is this beautiful organza along with this what do you call detailing. What is this detailing called? So this top is a very beautiful organza with this crushed detailing. It's an off-shoulder top. This one was for 1069, but I think I got it for 800 or 900 rupees because they also had a great sale going on. And this is a very beautiful color for the spring season, which is when my birthday also falls, which is a great thing. So I absolutely love colors like this and yellow for the spring season. Apart from that, I got a brown color top. Brown is a universal color that I can wear for office, and I can wear it with both of the pants and the skirt that I got. It's this really beautiful puff sleeves top which looks really nice, hugs your skin perfectly and looks very formal even if you want to wear it for office or for college. So this was the second thing that I got, and I got this for 500 rupees, which is a great price for a top like this, because even if you were a user of Shein or if you are currently using sites like Urbanic, Bonkers and everything, not like all of their trendy tops start from 500, and that's the same price of this place. and you don't have to pay shipping, you don't have to, wait for your article to come at home. You can just go try it on, shop, which is the best thing that I find about these shops. And the last thing that I got is the outfit that I'm going to be wearing for my birthday, which is this white t-shirt along with a jumpsuit. So I have never worn a jumpsuit for my birthday. I always prefer dresses. So this time I decided to do something different. And this is how the jumpsuit looks. It's a beautiful grey with this print on top of it. And this is how this outfit looks. It's a very, very, very pretty look. And I will definitely, wear it and post pictures, or even maybe do a vlog for my birthday, which is a great thing that I have been thinking about. So if you guys want me to vlog, like, me going out with my friends and whatever I'm doing on my birthday, definitely leave it in the comments down below and I will make sure to do a vlog. And after Q, so the next shop that we went to was this roadside shop that was selling beautiful fabrics for kurti. This is how this first kurti looks like. It is grey and black and very formal, very much appropriate for office wear. And I got this one for my mom, which is this red and blue color. She is very much into blue because my dad loves blue, so she tends to get a lot of blue and green in her life, so that's why she got this one. My piece was only 600 rupees, which has like a proper dupatta in it, kurti and pant set ka pura kapda, which is why I absolutely love this, because 600 rupees for a fabric like this is great. Like, this is similar to the patterns that you would get at Meena Bazaar that I absolutely love and I have bought several of. So since I have started going to Rajouri Garden, I feel that they sell similar fabrics to those. And apart from that, this one is a beautiful fabric, also has a beautiful dupatta in it, and perfect for the summer season that's coming up. So I hope you all enjoyed this video and definitely liked the haul portion of it. If you like it, make sure to like it, share it with all of your friends and subscribe to my channel. Until next time, bye.